everyone, and welcome to the Safe Place channel. Hit that follow button and join the Safe Place family.
Solve 10 math word problems using division. You have 20 seconds for each one. Let's go. There are 32 ice cream cones. If 4 friends share them equally, how many cones does each friend get? Each friend gets 8 ice cream cones. Calculation. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. A pack has 81 stickers. 9 friends want to share them equally. How many stickers does each friend get? Each friend gets 9 stickers. Calculation. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. A wizard has 36 magic wands. He wants to give them equally to 6 apprentices. How many wands does each apprentice get? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Each apprentice gets 6 magic wands. Calculation. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. There are 45 treasure coins. A pirate crew shares them equally among 9 pirates. How many coins does each pirate get? Each pirate gets 5 treasure coins. Calculation. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. There are 56 dragon eggs. They are put equally into 7 nests. How many eggs are in each nest? Each nest has 8 dragon eggs. Calculation. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Mia has 40 unicorn horns. She wants to give them equally to 5 friends. How many horns does each friend get? Each friend gets 8 unicorn horns. Calculation. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. A box has 10 crayons. 2 children share them equally. How many crayons does each child get? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Each child gets 5 crayons. Calculation. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. There are 18 jumping balls. They are divided equally among 3 kids. How many balls does each kid get? Each kid gets 6 jumping balls. Calculation. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. A fridge has 40 fruit cups. They are shared equally among 8 kids. How many cups does each kid get? Each kid gets 5 fruit cups. Calculation. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. A set has 30 paint brushes. They are shared equally among 6 children. How many brushes does each child get? Each child gets 5 paint brushes. Calculation. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.